The OnePlus 15 launch date is basically confirmed, October 27th, 7 p.m. in China. Yep, OnePlus just dropped a bunch of promo posters, and if you've seen them, you know this phone's design looks clean. By the way, if you like catching these early details before the official announcements, make sure you subscribe. It's free, it helps a ton, and you'll always be ahead of the next drop. Now, those posters show 3 stunning color options: a deep absolute black, a soft mist purple, and a warm sand dune. Each one's got its own vibe. The absolute black version is all about stealth. It's made using a new silk glass finish, something OnePlus calls a first in the industry. It only reflects about 3.7% of light, giving it that ultra matte, minimal look that feels sleek and luxurious. Leaks say the absolute black and mist purple variants weigh a bit more than the sand dune one, around 215 grams. Then there's the original sand dune, which totally leans into earthy, natural aesthetics. It's got this matte fiberglass texture with a micro arc oxidation coating, making the frame reportedly 3 times tougher than regular aluminum. It gives off that solid, grounded, almost stone-carved feel. And the mist purple, that one's pure elegance, soft, subtle, and clearly meant for people who want a more refined, lifestyle-driven look. Alright, let's talk display, because this one sounds buttery smooth. We're looking at a 6.78-inch BOE OLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate, the most advanced screen OnePlus has ever used. It can dim all the way down to 1 nit in dark rooms, and while it's not full 2K, the 1.5K resolution helps with battery life and performance. So yeah, it's a smart trade-off, not a downgrade. Now on to performance, the real powerhouse here. The OnePlus 15 is running Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, and early benchmarks suggest it's seriously fast, potentially rivaling the iPhone 17 Pro in GPU performance. Combine that with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and this phone's clearly built to flex. Battery life might be the most underrated upgrade here. We're talking about a 7,000 milliamp hour battery with 120 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. Full charge in minutes, not hours. That's insane. Now cameras. This time, OnePlus is reportedly going solo, dropping Hasselblad and introducing its own DetailMax image engine. Bold move, but it gives them more control over tuning and processing. The setup's said to include 350 megapixel lenses, main ultra-wide and telephoto, with around 3 times optical zoom. So even though Hasselblad's out, the focus on imaging quality clearly isn't. Oh, and it's expected to have IP69 water and dust resistance, meaning it can handle a lot more than just a splash. Of course, with all that power and a massive battery, it's not feather light, around 210 grams. But with that metal frame and solid build, it's gonna feel premium. So when you put it all together, the OnePlus 15 looks like OnePlus is going all in on building the ultimate flagship experience: sleek design, serious performance, and battery for days. What's the one feature here that stands out the most to you? The new display, that massive battery, or the switch from Hasselblad to DetailMax? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's see what everyone's most hyped about. Peace.